Hello, in this Silktest video demonstration, we'll show you how to configure an Android emulator for testing with Silktest Workbench. To use an emulator, you first need to download and install Android Studio. Launch the installation package and install Android Studio. Follow the instructions in the installation wizard. When the installation is completed, launch Android Studio and start the Android Device Manager. Click Create Virtual Device. Select the device from the list. Select or download the required version of Android. Then you can modify the device settings, for example, the orientation, and then launch the virtual device. With the Android emulator now running, launch Silktest Workbench and create a new .NET script. When you start recording, the new emulator is available for selection from the application configuration dialog. You can select this emulator in the same way as you can select any physical device. Once you have established the connection between Silktest and the emulator, you can record the actions that are performed on the device. To record mobile applications, Silktest Workbench uses a recording window that displays the screen of the Android emulator that you are testing. When you perform an action in the recording window, the same action is performed on the mobile device. This way, the application under test is always in the right status during recording. You can insert verifications while recording by highlighting the control and pressing Ctrl-Alt to launch the verification wizard. When the recording is complete, click Stop on the recorder sidebar and review the generated script. You can now run the test on the emulator to ensure it plays back successfully. Click the Show Application Under Test radio button on the Playback Status dialog box to watch the test replay on the emulator. This concludes our demonstration on preparing an Android emulator for testing. For more information about Silktest, you can visit microfocus.com or view our other Silktest videos and playlists. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on all our future videos.